So lots and lots of people are making bank with just YouTube Shorts. And as we all know, YouTube Shorts is just this new feature is allowing creators to share short engaging videos with their audience. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some strategies and tips to help you monetize your YouTube Shorts. So before we dive into the money making strategies, let's first familiarize ourselves with YouTube Shorts. So YouTube Shorts are vertical videos that are 60 seconds or less in duration. So they are designed to be mobile friendly and highly engaging. So Shorts have gained tremendous popularity due to their viral potential and their ability to reach a wider audience. However, to monetize Shorts, you need to meet YouTube's eligibility requirements. Yeah, nothing comes easy, guys. There's a little work into it. So first things first is you need to meet the following criteria. Number one is have at least 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. The second one is have accumulated at least 4,000 watch hours on your channel in the past 12 months. And the third one is comply with all YouTube's policies and guidelines. Yeah, you have to follow their rules. So to maximize your earning potential, it's crucial to create engaging and captivating YouTube Shorts. So here are some tips to help you create compelling content. First thing is hook viewers in the first few seconds to grab their attention. If you're going to keep blabbing and blabbing in the first few seconds of your videos, your audience is going to be bored and will eventually click off your video and find something more interesting. So it's important for you to make it fun and engaging in the first few seconds to just grab their attention. The second one is focus on trending topics or create unique niche content. So you need to be up to date with what's happening in the world and hop onto those trends, and just maybe you will go viral. The third one is keep your shorts concise, ensuring they are 60 seconds or less. No one wants to watch a video that is so long, it gets boring at some point. The fourth one is use text overlays, captions, eye-catching visuals, to make your shorts visually appealing. The fifth one is experiment with different storytelling techniques to keep viewers engaged. Now that you have a solid foundation, let's explore various strategies to monetize your YouTube Shorts. The first one is YouTube Partner Program. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, you can join the YouTube Partner Program and enable monetization on your shorts. So this allows ads to be shown on your content, generating revenue based on ad views and clicks. The second one is brand partnerships. So as your shorts gain popularity, brands may approach you for collaborations or sponsorships. So negotiate deals that align with your channel and create sponsored shorts to generate income. The third one is affiliate marketing, and include affiliate links in the description or overlay of your shorts. When viewers make purchases through these links, you earn a commission. I know, that's pretty cool. And the fourth one is merchandise and products. So you can promote your merchandise or your products by featuring them in your shorts and direct viewers to your online store or other platforms to make purchases. The fifth one is crowdfunding. So engage with your audience by encouraging them to support your content through platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi. So offer exclusive perks or early access to your shorts in exchange for their support. So to increase the visibility and reach of your YouTube Shorts, consider these promotion techniques. Optimize titles and descriptions. So use catchy titles and descriptions that include relevant keywords to improve discoverability. The second one is cross promotion. So share your shorts on other social media platforms to attract new viewers and subscribers. Now you need to market your videos on other platforms, or else no one is going to even know that you exist. So the third one is engage with the YouTube community. So interact with your audience by responding to comments and participating in discussions. So this builds a loyal fan base and encourages viewers to share your content. And the last one is collaborate with other creators. So when you collaborate with other YouTubers, this helps you to tap into their audience and expose your shorts to an even wider range of viewers. A comprehensive guide on how to make money with YouTube Shorts. Remember, success with shorts requires dedication, creativity, and hard work. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on your notification bell to be alerted every time that we upload. Bye!